guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to share with you a pretty new product which was sent to me by the Monk Forest. Now, I've never heard about this brand before. This is the very first time I am going to unveil this product, and we're going to figure out what and how this product is. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the product that they sent me is this moisturizing, nourishing and skin repairing lotion. This is how it looks like. It says that it is sourced from the richest and rarest. This is a paraben-free and cruelty-free, and this lotion retails for $7.99. Yeah, one thing I really like about this product is that it has a pump to it. It makes life so easy. Now let me just squirt out some of the product onto my hand. Okay, it's going to take a few pounds. There you go. Okay, this has a mild fragrance, which is good, and it seems to be a non-greasy formula for sure. It is so silky smooth. It's not thick in consistency. That is something I really like. It dries down pretty fast, so I really like this. Wow, this actually does work. To be very honest, I just thought that, it's just going to be a normal moisturizer, but this actually feels pretty soft. Now, I honestly don't know how well this works as a repairing lotion. However, I can for sure tell you it definitely is a moisturizing and a nourishing lotion. So I think it is safe to say that you can go and check this out. And to be very honest, for 800 bucks, which is 799 bucks, it's not a bad buy, given the fact that it does what it claims. That you can just throw it in your bag, you can keep it on your side table, it's easy to use, non-greasy, non-messy. So there you go, guys. This was the end of this video. I am really pumped up and excited to use this. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and I hope you like the content that I've putting up so far. And do let me know in my comment section below if you would like to watch something else, if you have some other pointers for me. Well, until next time, bye!